Tripura Badminton Association ni Shakthar Mumbai Sangrongsalni Simi Rwjakha North East Zone Inter-State Badminton Championship Tournament Sangrongsalni Tournament no Chengsawi hastini Montri Okrayak Sujisnu Deborma Manjaka MC ni Mayor Dipok Mozumdar Khadibut ni Chairman Rajiv Bhattacharya Tripura Tibut ni Chairman Chandra Saha Khorang
School of Science Manual Principal Abhijit Bhattacharya Agot Tripura Tree Board Chairman Chandra Saha Modar. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your hands together.
Drugs te phekjangnai manui chamani siklarongni kasui naraknani nahar mungo Tripura Badminton Association ni Shakthar Mumbai Sangrongsalni Simi Rwjakha North East Zone Inter-State Badminton Championship Tournament Sangrongsalni Tournament no Chengsawi hastini Montri Okrayak Sujisnu Deborma Manjaka MC ni Mayor Dipok Mozumdar Khadibut ni Chairman Rajiv Bhattacharya Tripura Tibut ni Chairman Chandra Saha Khorang Phaine 11 September Salmari Jorao tongnai o tournament no manjaknai saltang babai hastini joto thongkrong rok hini saka hastini Montri Okrayak Sujisnu Deborma
Thank all of you for coming here, and I hope you have a comfortable stay, enjoyable stay in Tripura. And we want some more events like this in the Northeast where we all can come together, share our thoughts, share our skills in the games. I was also very fond of games. I grew up in a boarding school, played a lot of games. And a sportsman is a sportsman. You can make him out immediately. He is a team player. He knows how to take victory and defeat. He knows what technique to use and when to use, how to respond. That's why we say sports is very important in life. In every school, every institution, they have to be sports, especially in the Northeast. It's important because we do have some negative aspects of the Northeast, like the menace of drugs. That can be fought through sports. We must channelize the energy of the youngsters in a very positive manner. And today's sports is not an extracurricular activity. It is a curricular activity. Today's sports is a curricular activity. It is a professional activity. What is a profession? Where you get paid. You get paid well in sports nowadays if you are good. It must have, career progression, promotions. There is promotion. Right from the state level or the district level to international level. There must be growth in the job, there is a growth. And youngsters like glamour, there is a lot of glamour. So today's sports is a career option. By just saying extracurricular in our time, we don't extracurricular activity. Today it is a curricular activity. An activity that brings name and fame to the state and to the nation. It is an activity that brings name and fame to the nation. It is an activity that makes youth icons. It gives our country youth icons. Because we believe that no society, especially in the Northeast, can survive without icons. We must have role models. We must have role models. And each of you can become a role model for us. So this is not the time to give a very long lecture. Now I declare the Northeast Zone Interstate Open Badminton Championship open. May the best team win. Thank you so much.
Abo haiken o phainai salo hangkortei bukhasteni sikla siklirok national beremo thungnani sepmanui hasteni mungkuchuk khlainai hini bo khatungjakmani kok saka hasteni Montri Okrayak Sujisnu Deborma Rwjakha agulini Simi Pranamni koktum Chini Khorang